Music producer booked in relation to crash that left 10-year-old student dead in Manchester. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The driver of the Range Rover motor vehicle which crashed into a Honda Fit motor car on the Segberg Main Road in Manchester on Monday morning resulted in the death of a schoolboy and the serious injury of the child's mom. A police constable has been slapped with several charges relative to the tragic incident. The police said that 31-year-old Chadwick Young, a music producer and coolant manufacturer, has been charged with causing death by dangerous driving, disobeying the continuous white line, and leaving the scene of an accident. Young, a resident of Main Street in Christiana, Manchester, is to appear in court on September 25, 2024, the police reported. The crash occurred when a female constable was taking her 10-year-old son, Trayvon Sanchez, a grade 6 student of the Christiana Lee's Primary and Infant School, to school. Reports are that at around 7 a.m., the woman was driving a Honda Fit motor car with her son as a passenger along the Segberg Main Road when there was a collision with a Range Rover motor vehicle. According to a source close to the family, the police constable is now in a stable condition. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.